Alright guys, thank you for checking out Menace Apparel. My name is Caesar and I'm the owner of Menace Apparel. And in this episode, we're going to go over, we're going to do a product review. This is part 2. We ordered some stuff from LAT Apparel from SNS Afterwear. And we're going to review those products in this episode. I'll let you know about the feel, the cut, should you get it, shouldn't, you know, maybe you should, you shouldn't. I'll give you the price breakdown and everything. Keep watching, please subscribe, like, comment, and let's get started. Okay guys, so I have all the products here from LAT Apparel. So I have much more than this. So I ordered a couple boxes full because I ordered some bulky stuff, so I had to come in multiple packages. So the first thing I want to talk to you guys about, let's talk about SNS Apparel, Afterwear. So the link will be about in the bottom of the description. So this company, they're kind of like Jiffy Shirts. They have multiple brands there and they sell wholesale. And it's a great place for you guys to start out when you're just starting your brand and you want to buy some stuff and you don't want to go direct to a manufacturer. You can go there, get some gilding, get some anvil, better canvas. It depends. So this is LAT Apparel. So let's go over. I'll review the shirts first. Okay, so this shirt is about 50 or 60 cents more than Gildan. Okay, now the pictures were great. As far as the quality, when you put it up to the light test, it's good. Light test is good. The only problem I have with this is it's a little too stretchy. It's already too stretchy and it hasn't even been washed yet. So once you break it in, I feel like it's gonna be very loose and very loose fitting right after. So I'm not sure how you guys like your shirts. This is okay for smaller sizes, but when you get to bigger sizes like myself, wearing a 2X, 3X, depending on the brand, maybe just an XL, and you just have a little belly. Once it starts stretching, then you start getting the shape building out. When you wear it multiple times, you start getting the shapes on the shirts. And the thinner the shirt is, you won't get as much of shape, but you will get the stretchiness. It makes it look a lot older than it actually is after a few washes. So that's one of my concerns. Another one is it's good quality, but it's also thicker and more in the edges than at the body of it. So this is loose, this is soft, the body of the shirt. But then when you get to the neck, it's pretty tight, which is a good thing, but it just feels a little funny to me. It doesn't feel like all one piece. It feels pretty good, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna press some stuff on it in the next episode so you can see, and then we'll do a wash test and we'll see how that comes out. Okay, so this is the LAT Apparel T-Shirt. This is a size small. So I bought each size just so I can see. I can put multiple size designs on there, kids designs and adult designs. So this is not LAT. This here is Jersey's new blend. So this is Jersey's new blend sweat pants. And I bought the top as well because I wanted to buy it for kids, for the kids sweatsuit. Wintertime is coming, Black Friday is coming. And what I want to do is write the word Menace here for Tinymenaceapparel. And then in the pocket, it has no pockets. So these pants don't have pockets. That's an issue. With smaller kids, they don't need pockets. With bigger kids, when they pass the age of, let's say, 10, most of them have cell phones or Nintendo Switches. In the wintertime, they'll be wearing a coat, so they'll put it in their pocket, but this could be an issue. If they're just wearing sweatpants and a t-shirt, it's a problem not having pockets. I mean, it's kids, they can get used to it, but their parents have to hold everything. So there's no pockets here. So you just have to imagine where the pocket would be and then put the stamp there, the logo of the company logo there. So the problem with these is they run really big. So these are really, really long. This is a size, I believe is extra large. Extra large, yes. So these run slightly too big for children. So I would size down. So if your kid is a large, I'd buy a medium. If your kid is extra tall, if you feel like he's gonna pass 6 feet when he's older, then you can maybe go with an extra large and let him grow into it. It'll just be slightly big for him. The feeling is great. The waistband is great. The cuff it's okay. It's all right. It's really tight. It's good. So with jerseys, you can't go wrong. Jerseys kind of like Gildan. You know what you're gonna get. So that's that. And then we have the hoodie part of it. So this is also a jersey new blend. And these were purchased separately on the site. So it has the pocket here, has the pocket. And then you can see, I want to put some words here, or maybe words on the hand space here. We'll see. This here, a little soft, a little loose, but it's okay. You're definitely not getting the premium feel. You're getting a regular everyday wear type of feel, but you're definitely not getting a premium feel. Does not have a string, no drawstring, and the pockets are a little small, but the kids' hands are a lot smaller, so of course that's going to be fine for them. But the string could be an issue with older kids. They really like to pull on the strings. But if you have the type of kid that'll pull the string all the way on and you lose it, then you're kind of happy it doesn't have a string anyway, because then it won't have those holes there. So that's that. Now let's go to the adults. Now, disclaimer, or just to let you guys know about SNS. I received this package 2 days ago. One of the hoodies came with a tear in the center of it, in the belly area. It is a hoodie, above the hoodie pockets. Came with a tear in it. Just go online, mark it off as a damaged item, write the description. They'll give you a little box there, describe the issue. They said how many products had the issue. Put 1 on the website, click 1, continue. 2 days later, this is here. UPS, didn't have to pay a thing. Great service. So this is the hoodie. It feels great. I mean, I love it. I love the feel. The only problem is, look at this. I don't know if you guys can tell. I mentioned this in the last video. I hate these. Hate them, hate them, hate them. It looks like it belongs on like a suitcase or something. I don't know. It just, I feel like it doesn't belong on clothes. I did try this on and it feels great. This runs, the hoodie runs perfect, true to size. This is a 3X. It runs true to size and it feels fantastic. I just hate these, and they make it look a lot better on the picture. My only concern is if you don't describe this very well, or you don't put this very well in the picture, I feel like this is something that a person would return. That they'll get them, before they try it on, they might look at it and it'll get in their heads that they don't like it, and they might return it. You get a lot of returns. So if you're selling face to face, it's a little easier. I recommend you wear the product when you're trying to sell it, and then it'll be easier to sell it, you know? But look, the inside, great feel, great coverage, stitched very well. See, has nice little padding here in the back of the neck, and the strings are very thick, so it's great. Okay, this is LAT Apparel. So the hoodie runs true to size. Now let's go over to the pants. Now the pants, look. No, sorry, it's another hoodie. This is a smaller hoodie. So I bought the medium and a 3X. This is where the cut was, and they got it. Oh, this is the cut. So here's the damaged one. This is one with the cut. I have the new one, the replacement one, and set to the side there. But this is the one here with the damage. So I received it with this, and they sent me a brand new one. Didn't have to send this back. I'm assuming because the shipping, they'd have to take a loss by paying for the shipping to get this back to them. So they said just keep it. So I'll try to cover it up and give it to like a homeless person or something. Give it to someone, family member. Hey, if it's free, it's for me. That's my slogan. Another hoodie here. Same thing. Same issues with the, the way I feel about the cuffs and the waist. I might give one of these away. Check our Tinymenaceapparel Instagram page. Follow us there. And I will be doing a giveaway very, very soon. And it's going to be a big giveaway. I'm going to send a box out. Now, let me get some pants for you guys. Hold on one second. Okay, guys, so I'm back. And this is the pants right here. LAT Apparel. They feel great, just like the sweatpants. The string is great. Matches the hoodie. Fantastic waist. The cuffs, only problem. Look at this, same band. I mean, I really, really hate this band. Write in the comments, what do you guys think? I don't know if you can see it. Check right there. Let me know what you guys think of these bands. I feel like no one's gonna see it. I'm not the, you see the way I'm dressed. I'm busy working. I don't have time to get all done up. But yeah, these cuffs here, they'll drive me nuts. One thing about these, I'm a 2X in sweatpants. Sometimes XL fits me. I'm a pretty big guy. This is 2X, 3X? Let me see, this is 2X. The biggest size in pants is 2X. Biggest size in hoodies is 3X. This does not fit me, and it's a 2XL. So these run small. These are they go up, but they are really, really tight. These are like jeggings. So for me, I would need 3X, and I don't have a 3X. So immediately that would tell me, hey, I can't sell 3X outfits in the website with the 2X option pants to fit with the 3X top, because a lot of guys are bigger in the belly area. I would have to go my maximum size would probably be XL, and then definitely put in the description that they run a little small, and then maybe sell 2XL pants. But that gets a little complicated. That's the issue. That's why I'm testing things out. This is why it's great to test things out, is then you know true to size, and you know how to describe what best describes it, and you can do a laundry test, wash test, and you can see the shrinkage. So with SNS Apparel, they don't tell you they don't have many reviews. So when I went to this, they didn't have any reviews, so I didn't have any reviews on their shrinkage. I didn't have any in Jiffy shirts. When you click an item, let's say you go to Gildan shirt, click on the color you want, then you scroll down description. Further down, you get the reviews, and it has a graph outline where it says shrinkage, and it averages out based on the reviews if it's as expected, small shrinkage, large, stuff like that. You can check that out. JiffyShirts.com. I'll put the links in the bottom in the description. So this is my review on the clothes here. So on the next episode, I'm going to be pressing up on these and all the other ones that came in, and then I'm going to decide. Some of it's I'm going to go through a wash test. Some of them is going to be given away in a giveaway. So please subscribe to be included in the giveaway. Subscribe, turn on notifications, because the first person that comments in the video is going to get the free giveaway. And you can comment on this video, go on our Instagram, Tinymenaceapparel, and follow us. And I'm going to keep shooting videos as long as people keep watching them. Check out Tinymenaceapparel, please. The website, Tinymenaceapparel.com. Use the code YouTube and you get an automatic 10% off. Right now, everything is free shipping. So you can get free shipping with your purchase. And we have the classic Menace T-Shirt, which I wear in some of the episodes. That's on sale right now for $5. And then then it's free shipping. So it's a no-brainer right there. $5 in free shipping, you're basically getting a $5 T-shirt. So you are getting a $5 T-shirt. So go to tinymenaceapparel.com. Thanks for watching.